It's another one.
Okay, so I did this eye and I just feel like there's a lot going on with this eye, but I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and I'm just really playing with these colors that is in this palette, and I'm loving it. So I'm gonna tell you how I did it and stuff like that, just in case you want to be crazy with me or whatever. So I take my NYX eyeshadow base and I'm gonna base my eye all over. You know, it's a white base. This is base number 1. It's white base. I put it all over because like I bring my eyeshadow, as you can see, all the way up here because I have no eyelid space and stuff like that. I do create a new like lid space because I do have hooded eyes and you know, all of that jazz. And don't worry about it like being messy or whatever, because like when you do your foundation and everything, it'll all blend out. So it looks crazy right now, but it won't look like that in the end. Okay, so I got that all faced out. I'm now going to come in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Yeah, and I'm going to start with these two colors right here, but mostly the yellow first. I'm just gonna start like as close as my brows as possible, like all the way up there. I'm just gonna keep doing that until I feel like the color is where I want it to be. And like this palette is very pigmented, so it's like you don't even need that many layers. Okay, so I think this is good. Y'all, I need a camera. I'm using my phone and I'm slick tired of doing this. I'm going with this orangey color right here, and I'm just gonna literally go on top of it and like just blend it together so you have like a beautiful backdrop to our reddish pinkish color that we're gonna put on there next. And I'm gonna go with this pink in this palette right here. Go a little underneath, but still like almost on top of that color. You see how pigmented that is? That's a one go. And I'm just gonna blend them up together. It's so pigmented, it's not even funny. Like, okay, and last one, I'm gonna go in with the purple in this palette right here. This purple is like a deep purple, but it's like you can see that it's purple and it doesn't like fade away into black. I love it. I love that. I love that. So I'm just gonna add it to the end right here. You see how that was one dab? You saw that? You see this? One dab, baby. One dab. So I'm dabbing it on the corners of my face. You know, get that blending. See, that purple is blended out perfectly, which I love. I just love it. I love it. Okay, and then once that's blended out, my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and my concealer brush. And I'm not gonna show y'all how to do my whole face because I do it all the time. We're just gonna focus on the eyeshadow look, honestly. And I suck at doing this, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I suck at it. I low-key messed up, y'all. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pat the concealer in. So I'm going in with this green color right here. Do you see how pigmented that is, baby? You See that, baby? If you want it to have like a more metallic look, you just add more color, because like that's what I realized with this green. Like when I add it and like slide it on like that, it has like more of a metallic look to it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but so I'm just gonna take that fluffy brush again with that purple and like blend the green out into the purple. Just lightly though, nothing major, just like a little bit. And you see it's blended into that, it's blended into the, this one's a little bit higher than this one, I just realized that. But blend it into the green. So, and with my NYX white liquid liner, it's called Blaque. If you look at this, one, it's kind of pink at the end here. Honestly, I did not do that on purpose. It's literally because the purple is so pigmented that it just wouldn't go away. And I put layers and layers and layers of this white on there. You know, you just can't stop greatness like that. You feel me? I'm really good at doing eyeliner, so it's like if I mess up, then I don't even think I really fixed that. That's how it's gonna stay, okay? Just like that. All right? Okay. And I'm gonna go in with this beautiful blue. It's like it's Rahina's favorite color. It is a turquoise. There you go. Turquoise kind of color. And I'm gonna add that on my eyeliner. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with this sparkly blue color right here and add it as well. It has like a little shimmer to it and it's a little lighter. And that's what I'm gonna add right down there. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with, I cannot pronounce this, the Saharan. I'm seeing them little white dots again. The little Saharan palette, and I'm gonna take the color Iman right here, and that's gonna be my corner color. And I'm actually gonna mix Iman with Zoya, and like I'm gonna mostly have Iman on my brush, but I'm just gonna have this like tint of Zoya. And that is gonna be my crease color. You see that? You see how pigmented that silver was? I don't even know what the fuck this is. Is silver or gray? I don't know. I love it. I love it. There you go. Now that our eyes are almost there, time to do our base.
Girl, you standing right there looking so amazing. Oh, so I thought I'd say something. Oh, I thought I'd say something.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I do have a client page, and it's called, if I could pronounce this right, Fasages_Black Roses, and that is now my new client page, and that's where I will be posting like videos and hair, like videos and pictures of clients that I've done when it comes to makeup and hair. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe, you follow that account as well. But be sure to follow my main account, and it's blaque.roses. You done know that me I try start that thing and me I finish it. So make sure you go and do that. Follow my accounts, blaque.roses and Versace's_black roses, and it all be in the description below. Tell me what you think. You know, I've never done something so colorful, and I literally have like, let me count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have 8. I have 8 different colors on my eyes alone, and that is like a whole new thing for me. And I am trying to step out of my comfort zone and come out the box and stuff like that. So you guys tell me what you think. You feel me? And shout out to Juvia's place, because that palette just gave me all types of life. And oh, this face, baby. Do you see it? Excuse me. Do you see it? Do you see it though? Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Love y'all. To all my beautiful people out there, don't let anyone tell you can't, because you can and you will. They just mad because they won't.